Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Microsoft Edge browser back to default settings. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what we're going to do first is open up the Edge browser if it's not already open. And we're going to select the three-dotted icon on the far left side where if you hover over it, it says settings. So go ahead and left click on that and then select settings near the bottom of the drop-down list. Should be something on the left side that says reset settings. So go ahead and left click on that. And then it says restore settings to their default values. Go ahead and left click on that. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Select reset. It might take a moment to take effect, and you will have to restart your web browser again for that to take effect, but again, it took a couple moments for it to actually go away, for the little pop-up to minimize, and now we should be able to close out of the browser and then again relaunch it, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.